everybody, today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're going to be looking at one of our new styles when it comes to dry cases. Okay, this is going to be a dry case, no refrigeration, no function. Now as you can see, we have glass display on all sides as well as on the top counter. Okay, also your glass slide doors on back, and you have stainless steel on the bottom. Now I'm going to go ahead and start off by giving you the measurements for this unit. Length, you're looking at 59 inches, 59. For the depth, you're looking at 29.5 inches. And the overall height, you're looking at a total of about 55 inches high. Okay, so the unit does have wheels on the bottom, so you can easily move the unit around if you need to move it from place to place. Now if you follow me over to the back, we'll show you the back of this unit. On the back we can locate a plug, which is going to be for the LED lighting. The unit does have LED lighting on the very inside top. Okay, and obviously the plug is for your lighting. It is a standard US plug for your lighting. Now I'm going to go ahead and measure the inside for this case. Front to back, you're looking at a total of about 26 inches. Just the shelf itself, front to back, you're looking at 20 inches. Okay, measurement is the same for all three shelves, so you got 3 shelves plus the bottom part. Overall height, 32 inches. Height in between each shelf, 7.5 inches. Okay, and the length, you're looking at a total of about 56 inches. Okay, 56 inches of the length on the inside. Okay, so this is a very simple unit, dry case. If you're interested in one of these units, go on our website, coolerdepotUSA.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the price for this exact size. We'll also have another size available, so go on the website and check them out. Now, if you have any other questions regarding this size or maybe another size you saw, you can also give us a call. We'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.